In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order in your company settings using HubSpot. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can smoothly navigate through HubSpot's interface to efficiently manage your company's order system. First, let's start by accessing the User Guide section in HubSpot. It's important to have a good grasp of where to find resources that can further assist you as you explore the platform. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the User Guide on HubSpot's website. You'll typically find this in the top menu, helping you quickly get to where you need to be. This section is incredibly useful if you're ever unsure about certain functionalities or if you want to explore additional features that HubSpot offers. Next, once you have accessed the user guide, you'll want to click on the CRM tab. CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of managing your customer data and interactions in HubSpot. By clicking on CRM, you're essentially diving into where all your customer-related information resides. Now that you're in the CRM section, the following step is to click on Companies. This is where you can view all the companies associated with your business along with their respective details. It's crucial to manage this section well, as it allows you to monitor and organize all components related to different clients or partners that your business deals with. As you navigate through this section, you'll notice it's structured to provide maximum clarity and easy access to important company information. Once you're in the Companies section, the next thing to do is click on HubSpot. Clicking here might seem like an extra step, but it's pivotal as it leads you directly to the more detailed view of your company's interfaces and interactions within HubSpot. This part of HubSpot is designed to ensure you can seamlessly interact with the main features that are vital to your overall company management strategy. Finally, we want to locate and click on Orders. This section might display as orders 0 if you have no existing orders yet. Here's where you will create new orders for your company. Managing orders effectively can drastically improve how your business handles sales and customer relationships. Enter the necessary details of the order you're creating, ensuring every piece of information is accurate and well documented. This not only simplifies tracking, but also enhances customer satisfaction by streamlining the order fulfillment process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and manage orders within your company's settings in HubSpot effectively. Always remember to explore and utilize HubSpot's resources to further refine your skills in navigating this robust platform. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!